Welcome to She Navigates Child Welfare, where every episode reveals the power of family, healing, and reunification.
When her She Navigators program opened up, I was happy to be here in the house amongst professional women in a professional atmosphere to show me how to be a better mother, how to take the things that I learned and apply them now in my life. And it turned everything around.
At She Navigates Child Welfare, we believe in the strength of families and the profound impact of reunification. Each week, we bring you heartfelt stories of perseverance, love, and the unwavering commitment to family restoration. Through the voices of those who have navigated the complexities of the child welfare system, we shine a light on the journey of healing and the path toward reuniting families.
And they have accepted the petition for my children to come home.
Now, here's your host, LaToya Conway-Hampton.
Are you confused about that legal paperwork that you get from child welfare when your kids are removed or threatened to be removed? Are you not understanding what is a court report? What is a minute order? What is last minute information? What is all of this stuff? I just know that you have my kids and the court is coming up. My name is LaToya Conway-Hampton, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about what legal documentation is and how you can be armed with facts that can get your case closed sooner, faster, quicker. And when I say get your case closed, let me go a little deeper. So when your case is open, it definitely have to walk through a legal process. But what you want to do is get the kids home sooner. You want to understand what they're asking you to do, what they're not asking you to do, what they are ordering you to do. Are you a little confused as to what's next in your case? Here at Two Lifestyles, we support families in navigating through the child welfare system. And doing so, we can help you understand all that lingo mumbo jumbo. Sometimes it sounds like wonk, 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 right? So there are strategies to decoding this thing. There is a complex legal ramification of all of this stuff. And let me tell you what my hesitance is. I want to make sure that I'm giving you language that you understand and language that can help you navigate with your family. But more important, I want to talk about what's your rights? We've covered the rights. What's your role? We covered the roles. If you're not sure, if there's something that's not covered in this video, go back and watch some previous weeks before. We have more information that can support you in regards to navigating through the child welfare case. Has it been a time in your life where you felt like you're so hopeless? You're not sure. You've done something wrong, but you're not sure of what happened. How do they have the right to come in and remove my kids? So reflecting on different documentation, in order for your kids to be removed, there have to be some imminent harm. And that means something is going to happen to them right away. So they have to be removed for safety purposes. Well, sometimes we feel like that was not because of safety. People are doing much worse things to their children than I feel that I've done to mine. Be that as it may, as a caregiver, we want to help you deepen your understanding on how the documentation works for you or against you. You, as a mother or a father, have the best interest in your family, and you have to work with the department to understand these are some areas that I need help in. I don't know what a court report is. What's the difference between a court report and a minute order? The court report is everything that the court needs. It comes from the doctor, the school, information from other people in the community. It comes from you. It comes from the child. It comes from the therapist. All of these different interviews and assessments, if you will, get compiled in a court report. The minute order is once your court has heard what's going on, they're going to give you a set of orders. And I must tell you, you must follow them. They are non-negotiable if you want to reunify with your child or keep your child in your care. So the court orders sometimes are very tricky. We're confused, like my kid is number 1, my kid is number A, my kid is number B. is really, really confused. Now, I know as a mother, I had a court case. It's like, my kids are not numbers, my kids are people. Well, could you think of all of the million children that are in the court system? Identifying them will break their confidentiality, it will violate the HIPAA laws, and it will make your case so much more complex. So the kids, for their safety purposes, are considered numbers. And back in the days, they would be A, B, C, D. Nowadays, they change them to numbers. So the last minute information, say for instance, you're about to go to court and you got this big court report in your hand, maybe a week before court starts, and you're like, this is a lie, this is not true, this didn't happen, this is this, oh my God, I'm doing well. My social worker really supports me. I'm proud of the relationship I build with my social worker, or whatever the situation may be. Once that court report comes to you, and if something there needs to be updated before the court, that's where the LMI, last minute information. Your attorney can put that information in, and so can your worker put that information in. And so what happens is, although the judge have already got the court report and may have even read the court report, they also have an opportunity to look up at the last minute information. That means something has changed since that report was written. So if you need support in identifying how to navigate through the child welfare system, please reach out to us here at Two Lifestyles. We have a She Navigator program for the moms, and we're working on our He Navigate program for the fathers. But give me an opportunity to support you and help you decode child welfare court proceedings. My name is Latoya. Thank you for tuning in.